I'm hiding in my car because it is absolutely tipping it down here. I'm at Ling, my local motocross track, because a bike I look after is racing here today. It's owned by a friend's younger brother. I've looked after both of their bikes for 6 or 7 years now. His name's Finley, and I started helping him out when he first jumped on a 125 as a teenager. Now, he rides in the expert class on a 350 gas. But this story starts back in the workshop a few days ago, so let's go back there first.
Basically, I raced expert last year, but as a junior.
Yeah.
And now I'm fully expert, so I could go out qualifying with expert. So I've scored a few points as expert. I think I'm like 17 in the standards, but can't do that.
So I've got to drop a piston in this KTM. All right, it's a gas, they're the same thing. It's being raced on Sunday. So I've got to drop it in today, Thursday, and then it'll get running on Saturday before getting raced on Sunday. If you ever need to pull the throttle body or a carburetor off a dirt bike, the easiest way to do it is to take the 2 bottom bolts out of the subframe, loosen off the top, pull off the exhaust, and then you can lever the subframe up and just pull the carb out. It gives you so much room. You have to remove everything. Everything on top can just stay there. That's the barrel off. And now to get this cleaned down, all the mating surfaces, I'll just use some Scotch-Brite and then we'll wash the inside with soapy water. Before we measure it up, make sure the barrel hasn't overlised, make sure it's the right clearance and fit for the new barrel. Do the ring end gap, that's very easy to do. I'll show you how to do that, and then it goes back together. Head on, check the valve clearances, then we'll get it running.
There's always been a filling box undercard a few times, so plenty of time to get to that. If I don't see the fight,
It's now pretty late. Just gone 11. I'm going to finish this off in the morning. I found him. I turned up just after 9 o'clock, which I thought was early. Turns out I missed his first practice session, which it pissed it down all the way through. Have you got coolant with you?
Yeah.
Just make sure it's topped up after every session. You just need to make sure that got coolant in it, rads are free. You're right.
Would you have raced it or would you have packed up?
I wouldn't even be able to get round. Testing out the GoPro. That needs to come out more.
You won't hit anything.
No?
I'll never go on that.
GoPro because you left it on the...
He's late to his first race. Finn qualified 25th, so he gets 25th gate pick. Got a good start on the 350 and was just inside the top 20. Unfortunately for us, but fortunately for the GoPro, the heaven opened, which did wipe all the mud off that GoPro lens.
I hope my camera's still through.
10-lap race round here is hard going. Finn did get overtaken by the leader on lap 8. The boys out front are on another level. I was impressed though how Finn stole his line on the following lap. And it was all going well until the last corner of this happened.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
I feel for him, dropping from 18th to 20th from a stupid mistake on the last corner. That's tough. You got a good start, didn't you?
Yeah. Oh, that's so annoying. They're the boys I want to beat.
Rest of the race alright?
Yeah, but that's just so annoying. I just held them two off whole race in the last corner.
I wish you would put a top on.
Put it.
Someone's cooking bacon. Leslie's cooked bacon. I mean, that's gonna ruin it.
That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Attention pilots, this is the final call. I repeat, the final call for expert riders. Behind Mitchell and Southgate, now fifth. Mitchell is still fifth. Now in sixth place. They're being got to the finish line. They reckon just ahead of them as well. And the 411 is sixth.
How was that? Right, I'm going to go. Sun's out. I'm going to go home.
Go do some work.
No, just chill.
Have a coffee. That is the first thing you're doing. That's the first thing I'll do.